What's going on, guys? We made it to Lake Wales. Long journey through the country, and got all the guys here. We're getting ready to explore the chain of lakes here up towards River Ranch. We're going to go north for about 30-40 miles, come back down, hit River Ranch for some lunch, and then rip the Kissimmee River heading south. But we're here. We made it. Let's go ride. Making trails. Sometimes you gotta create the path.
That's it, because Yamaha does it.
Yamaha, shout out Yamaha.
Yamaha.
Look at this guy. It's like he's cliff hanging.
Oh!
I heard a little crunch.
How's that monkey here?
And we are off. The gates are open. Hold on tight. It's pulling me forward. Oh, gator just came in. You guys good? Hold on tight. I heard that. You good? Hold on. We're in the middle of the Kissimmee River. These guys decided they wanted to stop and take a selfie. Selfie time!
Hey, Paul!
Hey, Danny, what was that?
You guys get you this stupid stuff, man.
Oh, it's in my face, in my eyes.
Hey, they got me wearing these masks. Check this shirt out they gave me. Look at this.
Hey.
Hey!
We don't know who that guy is. We don't know who that guy is. He flies by night. Without doing the day.
Oh!
Oh. He's coming hard on him.
Don't do it.
Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention.
Don't do it. That ain't a rattler.
It ain't? What is it?
No, he's gonna bite you.
What do you mean? He's gonna bite me or not?
Yeah.
Randy, what do I do? No hands.
No, that's a con.
Cottonmouth. You got it. Now get him by the head.
No, don't touch him. Yeah, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Let's go. Come on.
Hold on.
Let's go. Let's go. No, let's go. Watch out. He's gonna turn and bite. All right, let him live in his natural habitat. Good day on the river, Tone?
Yes, sir. Had a blast.
What you got to say about today's ride?
Oh man, it's a great adventure. Almost ran out of fuel, but we made it.
We made it.
God bless.
Hey, today's ride, what do you got to say about it?
Awesome ride.
Kissimmee River?
Bro, it's the best, man. This has been the best ride I've ever done. And it gets better and better every time. Yes.
Larry, how was the ride today?
I gotta tell you, it was fun. We had a really good time.
Yeah.
If I had more time, I'd tell you all about it. There were a lot of details. Most of it you'd have to edit out though.
I ran out of gas, remember that? These guys,
What do
you remember.
How does the knot go? You told him there was a word for it. You don't even remember. You made
It's called
that.
a fishing knot.
No, you made it up. It was like.
Well, no, it was actually made by the Florida ski riders back in 1976, but we used it today in 2018. Thank you.
Sun up, sun down, riding the river. It was amazing. Kissimmee River. If you've never ridden on the river, I encourage you to visit the river, ride the river, stop at Westgate River Ranch, and have lunch. It's amazing. You can fuel up, ride the river. S curves, crazy. It's like riding on a automotive course. But I encourage you guys, visit the river, Kissimmee River. You'll love it. And details below on the launch ramp, where we launched. Details on where to fuel up, Westgate River Ranch. But we'll have the address and the details on the description below. Guys, Kissimmee River, amazing ride. You got to visit it.